Hello widget watchers, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see, what is the difference between FutureBuilder and StreamBuilder. So let's start the video. So let's first see the basic differences between them. So here imagine a case where, you are building a weather application in Flutter. In this application we have a Get Data button, and if you press on this button then a Get API called to fetch the current weather data. So now in the above case we will use a FutureBuilder, because in this case we are expecting a single result, in our case it's weather data in the future. So now, when user tap on this Get Weather button, then the future completes, and FutureBuilder rebuilds its UI, displaying the fetched weather data. So here we can understand that, this is perfect for one-time operations like fetching data from a server. Now let's assume a case where you are developing a chat application in Flutter, where messages are constantly coming in, so in that case we won't say that press on this button or refresh the screen to get the new messages. It will be awful. Now for solving the continuous back and forth with the server or with any specific service, we will use StreamBuilder in Flutter. You use StreamBuilder because messages arrive over time, creating a continuous stream of data. Whenever a new message is received, StreamBuilder updates its UI, displaying the new message. So StreamBuilder is useful for ongoing operations where you want to update your UI in real time, like chat apps or progress bars. So now here is a thing. If this video get 10 comments then I'll demonstrate future and stream thing by some code examples. To sum up, FutureBuilder is like waiting for a one-time event to happen, such as fetching data from a server, while StreamBuilder is like watching a continuous stream of events, like receiving messages in a chat app. Understanding when to use each widget depends on the nature of your data and how you want to update your UI. I hope this explanation helped you understand the differences between FutureBuilder and StreamBuilder in Flutter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials.